Ever wonder why some people can instantly spot liars, manipulators, and genuine souls while you're left guessing? They're using ancient wisdom that's been hidden in plain sight for centuries. These 8 Stoic techniques will give you X-ray vision into anyone's true character. By the end of this video, you'll never be fooled again. The Stoics knew that understanding others isn't about mind reading, it's about observation and wisdom. Let's break down their most powerful people reading strategies. Technique 1. Actions over words. First, stop trusting words alone. Anyone can make promises, but watch what they do. When someone consistently helps others without recognition, that's character. When they repeatedly break commitments, that's also character, just not the kind you want. Technique 2. Emotional detachment. Next, observe without emotional involvement. Think of yourself as a scientist studying behavior. Your emotions create blind spots. Attachment makes you overlook red flags, while anger distorts neutral actions. Clear vision requires calm observation. Technique 3. Pattern recognition. One-time actions mean nothing. Patterns reveal everything. Someone might display generosity once for show, but consistent behavior over months reveals their true nature. What do they do repeatedly, automatically, without thinking? That's who they really are. Technique 4. Stress reactions. See how they handle pressure. When plans collapse, mistakes happen, or criticism strikes, that's when masks fall off. Do they blame others or take responsibility? Become defensive or stay composed. These moments reveal more than 1,000 normal interactions. Technique 5. Strategic silence. Here's your superpower. Speak less, listen more. When you stop talking and truly listen, people reveal themselves. Pay attention to tone shifts, pauses, and what topics they avoid or emphasize. Technique 6. The waiter test. Watch how they treat those who can't benefit them. This reveals genuine character like nothing else. Someone who's respectful to waiters and assistants shows integrity. Someone whose kindness disappears when there's nothing to gain. That tells you everything. Technique 7. Virtue spotting. Observe their core virtues and vices. Do they show patience or irritability? Honesty or deception? Courage or avoidance? These qualities appear in small daily moments. You just need to notice them. Technique 8. Disagreement test. Challenge them with a small opposing view. Their reaction reveals emotional maturity and openness. Do they consider different perspectives or immediately attack? Can they discuss calmly or lose control? This subtle test exposes their relationship with ego. Reading people isn't about manipulation, it's about deeper understanding and connection. Remember, the person who truly sees others clearly will never be fooled again. Share this video with someone who needs to stop being fooled by the wrong people. It might just change their life.